Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys, how can we pair Bluetooth earphones. Friends, you have your Bluetooth earphones and friends you want to pair with your phone. So friend, how can we pair? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to pair Bluetooth earphones. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, you can see your phone Bluetooth setting. So first of all guys, we will have to on guys our earphones. So we will on guys first of all our earphones. So when we will on it, after on guys click on guys your phone Bluetooth setting guys. So we will enable our phone Bluetooth setting with refresh setting. Then guys you can see guys your earphone name. So I have got this ubon CL20 Bluetooth earphones. I will tap here to pair guys. You can see it's pairing. After 3 seconds guys you can see this notification. So as you can see allow access to your contacts and call history guys. Tap here, you want to pair. Yes, we want to pair. So tap here, then it will pair guys. And guys you want to check your battery percent guys, you can check I have 100%. So like that guys we can pair. After pair guys we can use while operating any app. Right, we can use our earphones. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.